Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And so, we got the Sparkle Edition Mystery Box Wedge right here. And we are going to be reviewing it. We got the best colorway ever. It's like my favorite of all time. I'm so glad they added this in. Okay, we're going to unscrew it. The beautiful sparkles, it's like glitter. The awesome, I love the red with the gold. I think it fits like really well. Flip it around, we have the metal inside of the axle, and we have natural response pads. On this side we have a regular center track bearing. Okay, I can't do this anymore. We're using manual focus. The normal center track bearing that would be in all YoyoFactory good yo-yos. When you screw it together, it has a very sticky finish, which is not the best when it comes to yo-yos. When it comes to the finish with this yo-yo, it's not 100% good. I liked the prototype wedge a lot better. This one has a very good finish on it. It's very smooth and it will fit and grind on your hand very well. This one, if you try and grind it on your finger, even by touching it like this, it's just sticky. So if you try and grind it, it'll shoot back at you, so don't try to do that. The prototype wedge right here has very large couplings for finger spins, and this one has small ones. They are basically the same. This one's a little bit more narrow in the middle. When you throw it down, it is slightly heavy, but I like heavy yo-yos, so I like this one a lot. It is my favorite plastic yo-yo. I'm very glad I got this out of the mystery box.